Welcome to FeeBelly, your costly details and fine print detective. With FeeBelly, you can easily scan documents for important clauses and fees hidden in the fine print, which may cause you to pay more than you should. To get started using FeeBelly, launch the app and tap the new document icon. Enter a name and select the document type. You can process web URL PDF links and plain text by making the appropriate selection and copying and pasting. Select your language, tap Next, and choose keywords to search for. Create custom keywords by typing them into the text bar separated by a comma. When you've selected all your keywords, tap the Done button. Then upload your digital document or take photos of a paper copy. You can even bring PDFs into FeeBelly from your email by tapping Share and Copy to FeeBelly. Add other file formats by saving them to your iPhone files and tapping Print. Use 3D Touch to pop into full view, tap Share, and Copy to FeeBelly. When you take photos of a physical copy, FeeBelly uses text recognition to comb through your documents and pick out your selected keywords for easy navigation. When you press Done, FeeBelly starts scanning. When it's finished, all your pages are displayed in list form. Tap on one of the pages to view every keyword that appears on it. Highlight important keywords by tapping the check mark on the right, or view the word in context by tapping on it. Instantly jump to the next or previous keywords with the buttons on the bottom. Use the menu at the top right to add pages, view photos, share it, or delete it. FeeBelly's other features include paperwork processing, on-demand processing, and comparing documents. Download FeeBelly from the App Store today. Never again worry about missing costly details hidden in the fine print and save more of your money.